Colonel Sanders Unmasked, the truth behind KFC's conspiracy theories. KFC, the beloved fast food chain known for its finger-licking good chicken, has been the subject of countless conspiracy theories. But today, we're going to separate fact from fiction and uncover the truth behind these claims. Let's start with the most popular theory, the secret recipe. While many speculate about hidden ingredients and secret rituals, the truth is much simpler. KFC's secret recipe is no secret at all. It's a carefully crafted blend of herbs and spices that have been delighting taste buds for generations. Another theory revolves around Colonel Sanders himself, suggesting that he was more than just a fast food icon. Colonel Sanders was a real person, a passionate entrepreneur who built a successful empire from humble beginnings. Finally, some theories suggest KFC's connection to government cover-ups or mind control experiments. These claims have no basis in reality. KFC is dedicated to serving delicious food and providing memorable dining experiences. So, the next time you enjoy a bucket of KFC's finger-licking good chicken, rest assured that it's just great food made with love. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the truth behind KFC's conspiracy theories.